What's up, guys? I had a lot of comments on the Tite-Reach when I shot the introduction video, and today we're just going to test it out and we're going to see what we can get out of it. We're going to start out with the Tite-Reach Pro, so you guys take a look and we'll show you what it can do.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright guys, first thing we're going to do, we're going to break one of these lugs off, and that way we can go ahead and torque it down and get a kind of a baseline test. So let's do that and get it started. Alright, she's broke loose. I'm just going to bump her back down. While Bill has got the torque wrench over here. And what we're going to do, I'm going to get up close that way you guys can see. We're going to start out with 150 foot-pounds. And we're going to torque it down with that. And then I will get the Tite-Reach and we will that top one. All right, as you can see, it's a 3/8 drive. Of course, I got a 1/2 inch socket. So we're gonna put that in here and we're gonna put our impact on this side and we're gonna see if it can break 150 foot-pounds. So we'll start out with that. Looks like it's gonna have a lot of torque loss. Let's just try to break it loose without the Tite-Reach on it and see what'll happen. So there's gonna be a significant amount of torque loss. Go ahead and bump it back down again. So I'm going to put the 1/2 inch gun on here because we've got a lot of torque loss. Of course, we're using the 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter. I've got a 1/2 inch gun down to a 3/8. Well, I don't know what that is, but she's got a lot of torque loss. It broke it loose. It took a lot of beating. So it's supposed to withstand 400 foot-pounds. As you can see, we've got quite a bit of damage to it. And there was something gray coming out here. I don't know if it was the seal or some kind of packing material or what. So quite a bit of torque loss. So So we'll move on to the 1/2 inch. All right, guys, we're gonna try the Tite-Reach Pro. This is the 1/2 inch version, and we're gonna run the same test with it. Go ahead and click that back down at 150. We're gonna put this on there, and we're gonna see how the 1/2 inch does. It did 150. Let's run her up to 200 there. Bill. There's 175, there's 200. It's surprising the torque loss. I'm kind of shocked at how much torque loss it's got. All right, as you can see, this one's backed out. This one's fell out completely. So, taking a beating. Watch this right here. Ripped it loose. As you guys can see, this one's vibrated loose, this one's loose, this one's loose, and this one has come completely out. So we're gonna turn off the cameras, we're gonna tighten all these bolts up, and then we'll come back and try a little bit more. All right, we're gonna tighten all these down. So they all started coming loose. Stripped out. All right, well, let's go back, see what it'll do now. Look at the damage that it's done there. All right, let's go to it. All right, guys, we got it all tightened back up. As you can see, our torque wrench is still set on 200. We're gonna try to go to 250. The 1/2 inch Pro version is rated at 1200, so we'll try it at 250. What do y'all think's gonna happen What do you think, TJ?
I don't think it's gonna break it.
How about you, Bill?
I don't think it's gonna break it. It'll fall apart before it breaks loose.
All right, here we go. I'm trying to hold this thing in case it does have a catastrophic malfunction. It won't get me. Hot. It's smoking down here. You see it? See it smoking? All right, I'm gonna call that a failure on that. And just to show the torque loss, we'll put this on here. All right, guys, that's we're looking like with the Tite-Reach. As you can see, it has a tremendous amount of torque loss. It could possibly work, you know, in tight situations, and I believe it will. But you're gonna have to overcompensate for the amount of torque loss that you got, and that is tremendous amounts. Let me go in here with a camera. And from this test, you can see the damage that's done here. And also it started leaking some of the grease out up here. And that thing is red hot. Anyway, guys, that's kind of the real deal truth about the Tite-Reach. So you can make your own judgment call on that. I can see where they'll help a lot. And like I say, you're gonna have to overcome the tremendous amount of torque loss. But anyway, like always, guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.